Hey everyone, welcome to InfoSec Train. My name is Krish. I'll be a speaker for this webinar on AWS security architecture. The webinar is planned on 3rd of June 2021 and the time is from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So this video is about to give you an introduction about the webinar which we have planned, and I'll be telling you the agenda for this webinar and who are the preferred audiences for this webinar. So the agenda is starting like securing the design for your AWS infrastructure. So like if you are a person who is working in AWS or who is starting your career with AWS, if you want to know the various security services in the AWS platform, you can attend this webinar. The next one is we will discuss about the various defense in depth approach. Like for example, how to ensure the multi-layered security architecture using AWS. Like we know that we have various kinds of services like data security services, monitoring and logging services, identity and access management services, network services, how to align these services together to form a proper defense in depth approach strategy that we will discuss in this webinar. Also, we will discuss about some incident response strategy with some use cases, which will give you an idea on how to plan a proper IR. And finally, we can have a QA session where you can ask me queries and I'll give you the answers for that. And who is the audience for this webinar? So, anyone who is already familiar with AWS but want to know more about the cloud security architecture can join this webinar. Also, those people who want to learn the defense in depth approach in AWS, or those who already know AWS and want to know more about how to connect these things together for a proper security architecture can also join this webinar. And anybody who is already having an Azure knowledge or a different cloud platform knowledge, want to get the flavor of AWS on how they are implementing the security part of it, can join this webinar. Thank you, team. That's about this. And if you have any queries, please contact with the information given on the screen. Thank you.